Hey guys, it's me, Eckhart, and today on this another amazing video, I am going to be playing a few games with my horse. So I'm going to be changing style for what games I play, stuff like that. I just played Jammer Derby, I think is what it's called. Yes. This game third, I came third last time I played it. I'm going to try and come first, so I'm going to try and get some gems, a little trophy thing. I like that trophy. I love that hat. I love it. Try and make a horse sound. So, jumping some haystacks and stuff like that. I try not to waste my carrots because I don't want to misjump something like one of the big ones and then be like, oh damn it, I'm never gonna get past this and stuff like that. Like what I did just then. Here we go. I think I either came second or third. Doesn't really matter. It's just a fun game. I love my little thing. I'm second. Tied. Okay, I'm going to get out of this game now. And I'm going to play something else with my horse. I'm going to go into Solo Arcade. I think I might play Best Dressed. I'm going to change my look for Best Dressed. I'm going to have a blue thing. So I've got my blue stuff. Here we are. So we're going to play now. Best Dressed. Let's play. Dragon Horse. Purple Horse. Red Horse. Dress up the scariest. I'm going to be a dragon. Neck. I'm going to have that. Or shall I have a beard? I'll have that. Then I'll have my back. I will have these wings. Then for my legs, I will have these blue dragon claws. And then, there we go. And I might change my color to red. There you go. I am done, and I have dressed my best. Here I am. I think a few people are dressing up as dragons. Dragon, 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 dragon. Okay, who is dressed scary? That's actually pretty scary. Oh, I should have done that one. That's pretty scary. No, I'm a vampire dragon. I'm pretty scary. So is he. Or she. Whatever. They kind of look cute. They kind of look cute, this person. And that's really funny. Vampire dragon with a beard. And now, the winners. First. Second. We came third. Nice. 0 votes. Anyway. Dress up the most epic. Okie dokie. I don't know why, but whenever I think of epic, I think of green. So I'm going to try and do like a green color. I will have... That's pretty cool. I love that. Neck. That. My back. Have that. Legs. We'll have that. Oh, we have that. We will have that. We are looking fancy here with a little beater. I think it's a beater hat. I don't know. I like that hat though. I love the little curly bit. Okay. Unicorn horn. I like that unicorn horn. I have a unicorn horn. I think I have two. Two. I think I have 2. I'm not sure. Okie dokie, just waiting. I wonder how we will go. Okie dokie. Okay. Nobody else has got the same beater hat, but I'm just going to call it beater hat. I don't know if it is or not. I love that sip tooth. I have to check. They look pretty epic. To choose them. I think Best Dress is a good game for like members and non-members because you can dress up you can dress up as anything you'd like to. Because like non-members can't wear member things, and then when they're playing Best Dress they can, and then you wear like whatever you like. You don't have to. It's not like a fashion show where you have to wear some of your own stuff. Okay, what have we come? We came third again. I think I'm going to go and play the underwater version of Best Dress. You guys might not know this, but I'm going to play it because I like it. Up here, I think it is. No, it's not. Here we go. This little door. Play is my otter. I love the underwater stuff. It's so cool. Little eye patch. I love that eye patch. I absolutely love it. I love that hat too. I love the propeller hat. I don't know why the propeller hat's underwater. Oh yeah, I get it. Let me dress up fully pink. I like pink. I'm gonna be a pink underwater creature. Okay, time to get dressed. Dress up the strangest. Okay, I gotta dress strange. Okay, that's pretty strange. The jack-o'-lantern maybe. Nah, I want the scuba diving head. Neck. What do I have here? I will have a whistle. Then, oh no, I'll have this because it's like, why would that go with that anyway? Then back. I absolutely love that, but I think I have to have that clover cape or the oxygen tank. I'm gonna change my color to green. Anything else? No, I have to have the gingerbread. It's really strange. I love the gingerbread. Love it. Okie dokie, let's see. It's mine. He looks pretty strange. Strange. Who looks strange? The octopus looks pretty strange. They practically dressed up the same. Well, nearly. Sorta. No, actually, they just got the same like colours. Hang on, how did they get that skeleton? Like, so. Never mind. What have we come? We came through it again. Number 3 seems to be my lucky number. No votes, unfortunately. Anyway, that doesn't really matter. Just a game. Shy and this person didn't vote. They could have got 200 gems. Remember to vote, folks, and then you won't get your gems. Vote for gems. What is it? Weirdest. Okay. Weirdest. Can I have the pirate hat? No, goggles. Goggles. Oh, sorry, I'm really weird. We can have that. And the goggles. Back. Neck. Can have that whistle. I like whistles. No, I can have that thing. It's like, why do you attach Christmas lights around your neck? It's like, what the heck? Okay, now legs. Leg. Can I have flippers? Flippers. I can have that. No, I have the flippers. Purple flippers. I got like a orange. What's this? Yellow and purple thing. Yellow and purple. There we go. Okay. Looking good. Weirdest. They look pretty weird. I love that. I'm gonna do that because I love the outfit. I don't think they look weird, but I love their outfit. Number 1. We came 2. Our number 3 streak is over. 1 vote. Thank you for whoever voted for me. Okay, I'm gonna get out of this game now. I think that's all I'm playing for this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, and remember, comment, like, subscribe. And if they still have those bell things, hit that bell so you know when I'm posting a new video. Anyway, thank you!